taking notes leads to what I call educational bulimia. Has anyone here ever cramped for a test in high school or college? And then you threw it up all back on the paper? Could you take that test again and pass it? No. So I don't want you to take notes. I want you to look up here, get the transmission, because I teach on a lot of different levels. Can we take 10 seconds, rise to your feet, and give some love to who we've heard today and who will be presenting tomorrow? Thank you. I mean, show them the love. Thank you. And personal appearance, because personal appearance is all about a 3-letter word. It starts with an E, ends with an O, sounds like she-go. Ever shout out the word? What's the word? Ego. Point to the person in the room who has a problem with their ego. So here's the thing. The brain, the mind, cannot tell the difference between what you dwell on and what you're programming back in. So naturally, when you go to that same context, whatever it is, what's the brain going to do? It's going to do what you programmed it to do.